Hello everybody. Today I would like to tell you a short conversation between the man and the woman. Number 1. The woman asked the man if he had heard that Sam had got a promotion, and the man replied Jim had told him, and he wondered if it were right. The man agreed with him. However, she said she wished but had got a promotion too because she really deserves it. Number 2. Miss Fujita introduced herself to the man and she offered to help him. The man commented he was calling from the accounting office and she asked if he could speak to the director. The woman was very sorry about the fact that the director was not in, and she said she hoped she could help him. Number 2. The man asked the woman what her special was that night, and the woman commented they had a fresh shrimp and roasted beef. Finally, the man decided to order something from the regular menu. Number 4. The man asked the woman if anyone had called him while he was out, and the woman said he had a message from the Mr. Peter, and Mr. Peter had told that he had finished painting the new office. The men were very happy to hear that, and she asked the woman to call him back and to tell him send the bill to the accounting office. Number 5. The man asked the woman the woman asked the man if the woman asked the man if it were his office, and the man told that were Sandy office, and his office is the one at the end of the hall. The woman asked how he had got the office like that, and she said his boss very liked him. Number 6. The man told the woman he had received the bill from the Mr. Otaga. The woman asked if Mr. Otaga were his accountant, and she said she had told Mr. Wilson had been, and the man agreed with her. However, he said Bob recommended Mr. Ortega and she did a better job. Number 7. The woman asked Mr. Frank what his daughter were doing, and he replied his daughter was at university, then university, and he told he's studying economics. The woman were surprised about that, and she said his daughter will be a lawyer like him. Number 8. The man asked Martha if he had seen Jim since his surgery. The woman said she didn't, and however, she commented Linda and her planned to visit him in hospital that afternoon. The man was happy about that because he said his wife wanted to visit them. Number 9. The woman asked Martin if Sandy car paths were frowned up door, and the man replied, it wasn't, it was Tom Carpass, and he said she knew the new secretary, and the woman replied, he had better move the car because he had a park in director's space. Number 10. The man asked the woman how much the bus fare was. The woman replied it was $1, 50 cents, and she asked if he want a transfer. The man said he didn't, but he asked the woman to tell him when they got to his stop. He told he were going to a central post office.